And say what your name is.
Anna.
And,
Princess.
and how do you spell that?
Alana. Princess.
Really? And what's your silly pose? Do you have a funny pose?
No.
You don't have any funny pose? Do a funny pose. Do a sad pose. Oh, what was that? And do a tired pose. You'd be tired like that? That's a flying pose. What's your favorite pose? What's your pretty girl pose? No, pretty girl. Pretty.